This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This covers the right turn from Bovey Tracey to Ashburton, which is the third exit. The next set of traffic lights will position into the right hand lane, which will help us for the roundabout. We can already see signs for the roundabout on the left in the distance. So the large sign will confirm that Ashburton is right third exit at the roundabout. So logically we're going to be using the right hand lane for this. The sign on the left confirms that only the right hand lane is used for Plymouth and Ashburton, and the road markings confirm A38 south. Traffic lights ahead, which we need to obey. As we come around the roundabout, we need to watch out for the yellow boxes. They must be kept clear. So just because the traffic light is green doesn't mean that you can go. There's no yellow box directly in front of us, so we'll continue on in the right hand lane without any problems. So as we come around here, we can see A38 south still in the right hand lane. The left lane takes the exit for Newton Abbot. Immediately after that exit, we will be in the left hand lane. Check particularly on your left side here as you come across, making sure this yellow box is clear. So we end up in the left hand lane at the traffic lights for A38 south. That allows us to take the exit, keeping well over to the left hand lane on the slip road. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?